Students, welcome to Agricultural Development Trust, Shardabai Pawar, Mahila Arts Commerce Science College, Sharda Nagar, Baramati. I am Professor Poonam Mishra. Again brought for you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy. Now students, just remember, I would like to rewind the last story regarding the bill of exchange, in that the seller Mr. A, who has given the amount of credit or some money on a credit basis to buyer Mr. B, and for after that transaction Mr. Seller A prepared a bill and he gave the period to Mr. B 2 months to pay the amount of bill. And after making the bill, Mr. A will be called as drawer, and after accepting that bill, since he has taken the loan from Mr. A, so the buyer will sign the bill and he will become the drawee. And later on we saw that after 1 month what happens with Mr. A. Mr. A needed cash on urgent basis. Since he cannot go to Mr. B for taking the amount of bill because he has given the period of 2 months for the payment, he has 4 choices. Out of 4 choices, 3 choices we had discussed in the last PPT. But student, I would like to rewind it quickly. First option drawer has, he can go to any bank, he can show this bill, and the bank will give the amount of bill to Mr. A, and Mr. A will give his bill to the bank, and in this transaction the bank will charge some charges, deduct some amount from the bill amount as a service or discounting charges. After that, second choice Mr. A has, that he can go to one of his friend or he can go to one of his creditor, means to whom Mr. A will be liable to pay any amount. So he can go to his friend for asking the help, that give me the amount of the bill, so I can use this fund and you collect the amount of bill on the due date. Or second thing can be, student, like this, if A is already had taken some amount from Mr. C, now he is paying to Mr. C by giving the bill to him. So this situation known as a endorsement of bill. So Mr. A has endorsed the bill to Mr. C, that is one of his friend. Third choice with the Mr. A is that if he is not physically present at the time of due date in front of the drawer, so he will inform his bank that please collect my amount and deposit into my account the amount of bill. Basically in this situation, student, the payment will be taken by Mr. A, that is drawer only. The difference is that the amount is directly deposited into the Mr. A's account. Fourth choice, actually it's not a choice, it's a situation. If these 3 things are not happened, fourth thing can be like drawer retained, means kept the bill with him till the due date, and on due date he went to Mr. B, that is drawee, and he collected the money from Mr. B. So here these are the 4 cases, student, that you have to keep in your mind. So that after making any bill by the seller or on the drawer, on the buyer, the relation changes. Seller becomes the drawer and buyer becomes the drawee after accepting and signing this bill. So what the drawer has a full authority to deal with this bill as per his convenience. So if there is some situation arises that he is in need before the due date of the bill, that is 2 months, and he is in need after 1 month only, so he has these 3 choices. If he is not in need of the cash, he will keep the bill, retain the bill till the due date, and he will collect the money from Mr. B. So students, the further our journal entries regarding bills of exchange or for this chapter will be based on these four situations. So you have to keep keep this story in your mind, that what will happen in this four situation, what will what will be the actual action taken in this situation, where the bill of exchange is with him and where who is giving money to whom. So if you remember this four situation, you will definitely understand the journal entry, students. Let's move further. Students, in the chapter 7, in the last PPT video, we had seen the types of bill: inland bill, foreign bill, accommodation bill, after site, after date, bill on demand. Now that was the part of the drawer. Now this is the part of drawee. Who accept the bill, student? The drawee accept the bill. So how many types of choices are there with the drawee? Means how many types of acceptance can be done? The first one is a journal acceptance, means whatever the drawer has written is acceptable to the drawee, and he has accepted all the terms and conditions written on the bills of exchange. Let's see. When the drawee accept the draft without any changes, means he will not demand any change in the bill of exchange which is already prepared by the drawer. That is known as a journal acceptance. Means in this case there will not be any changes in the initial or the original bill of exchange which is made by the drawer. So when the drawee accept the draft without any changes or without any condition, it is called as a journal acceptance. It is also known as a unconditional acceptance. Means there is no any other condition put forward by the drawee in front of the drawer. Now student, second is a qualified acceptance. Some qualified means when drawee accept the will with certain qualification, some certain statement to the order of the drawer, it is called as a qualified acceptance. So here we can see there are 5 types of qualified acceptance. Means in this case the drawer has some condition, will demand the drawer to make some changes in the bill, and that is known as a qualified acceptance. And here are the types of qualified acceptance. First, the drawee will make the changes in time. If the drawer has written 2 months and drawee will demand for 3 months, then drawer has to make the changes in time. So that is known as a qualified as to time. When the drawee accept the bill subject to the change in the tenure or the term of bill, suppose 2 months was drawn but he wants 3 months in place of 2 months, that is known as a qualified as time. It is known as a qualified acceptance also as to time. Next is qualified as to place. Okay students, so here the place will be in the focus where the drawee will make the payment. When the drawee mentioned that bill will be payable at a particular place only, it is known as a qualified acceptance as to place. If the drawee wants that I will make the payment of your bill on this place and with this bank and all, so that is known as a qualified as to place. Third is qualified as to amount, students. Means here the drawee accept the bill for a part of the amount of the bill. It is known as a qualified amount. Means the changes will be made in the actual amount which is mentioned on the bill by the drawer. Fourth one is qualified as to parties. Yes, here the changes will be made in the name of the payee, parties, and it will be demanded by the drawee to the drawer. And when the changes will be made, and then the drawee will accept, and that will be known as a qualified as to parties. When the drawee is not ready to pay the amount of bill to the payee named in the bill, it is known as a qualified acceptance to the party. Means whatever the name is being written by the drawer on the bill of exchange for making the payment on future due date, drawee is not accepting that person as a payee. He wants that he wished that he would pay the money to drawer only. So that is known as a qualified as to parties. Next is qualified as to condition. If the drawee is putting or writing any condition on the bill for making the payment, that is known as a qualified as to condition, students. So when the drawee accept the bill subject to certain conditions being fulfilled by the drawer, it is known as a qualified acceptance as to condition. Means the drawer has to fulfill some condition, then the payment will be made by the drawee. So this is known as a qualified as to condition, students. Now students, let's see how the actual pro forma, specimen of the bill of exchange we had seen in the last video. Now we will practically solve the some illustration for drawing the pro forma of bill of exchange. Student, this pro forma will be asked in the ABT, means internal assessment test also, and in exam it can be asked. So it is important for you student to understand. Now after the date bill, you might have remembered that after the date means whatever the due date is there, 3 grace days will be added to that date of the bill, and then the due date of the bill of exchange will be created. And journal acceptance, you know, when the drawee is not making any changes in the bill, that is journal acceptance. Now the some information is given here, student, and on the basis of this information we will prepare the bill. First of all, in the middle center of the paper, we will write the we will give the heading bill of exchange. Left side stamp, legal stamp will be sticked. Right hand side, the maker of the bill, that is drawer, will write his name and address. Suppose drawer's name is given Mr. Prakash Rao, 648 Coral Plaza, SB Road, Pune, and drawee's name is given Mr. Rahul Dev, 236 Rajpur Road, Jalgaon. Amount is this much. Tenure is 3 months. Date of the bill is 3rd June, and date of acceptance is 7 June. So students, clearly it is mentioned. Just you have to remember the place where should be written what, and you can prepare the pro forma of bill of exchange. So please remember, always in the center, title bill of exchange, left corner stamp and amount in numbers, right hand side always the drawer name and address, and then the final statement will be written, and it will start from the period of the bill, that is 3 months. So 3 months after the date, so you have to write the type of the bill name. So it is after the date bill, so 3 months after the date. Pay to me. Pay to me means drawer is saying pay to me, or if I give some order to you, my order, the sum of rupees 44,500 only for the value received. So this is the statement. It's a common statement which will be written almost in all type of pro forma. So after this statement, Prakash Rao will do the signature, and then he will write the name of drawee on whom the bill is being drawn. So to Rahul Dev, 236 Rajapur Road, Chalgaon, and then finally at the bottom middle, the sign of the drawee will be that accepted signature Mr. Rahul Dev, but he has accepted the bill on 7 Jan, even though the bill was made on 3rd June. So due date, it is after the date bill, student. So the due date will be calculated 3rd June and plus 3 months, and 3 grace days will be added. 3rd June means July, August, September. 3rd September plus 3 grace days, 6 September will be the due date for this bill, because this bill is after the date, it is not after the site, student. So whatever the acceptance date is written, it will be ignored for your kind information. Now students, it is format after the date bill, journal acceptance, but some another person's name as a payee is written in the bill. So again, drawer name and address will be written on the right hand side. Here it is given Nagpur, and date of the bill is given 16 July 2019, which is mentioned here. Stamp, amount of the bill is 30,000, and here they have written tenure 90 days. You have to write 90 days. You can't write 3 months. If they have written the period in days, the days will be written. If they have written the period in months, months will be written. So 90 days after after the date, the type of bill is after the date, paid to Shravan Dave Panvel. So here the payee name is given, so that payee name will reveal here. If the payee name is not there, so to me or my order will be common in all format. So if some payee name is given, instead of pay to me or my order, the name and address of the payee will be written, or his order sum of rupees 30,000 in words only, and for the value received, again the signature of Mukund Desai, that is drawer, and the name and address of the drawee and signature of the drawee, and the date of acceptance will be written 20 July 2019. Third illustration is, student, you can see after the side. What do you mean by after the side? We have learned it in the last video. After the side, the due date will be calculated since the date of acceptance. When the drawee will see and accept the bill, from that date the bill due date will be calculated, and the making bill date will be ignored. Okay, student. So Anuradha Patil, 37A ICC Towers, Goregaon, Mumbai, drew, means made, a bill on 23rd January 2020 for 57,000. Students, so this is the name and address of the drawer that we will write here. Name, address and date of the bill, center, bill of exchange, stamp. The amount of bill is 57,450, and the period of bill is 2 months, so it is written here like this. 2 months after the site is given, so after the site will be written here. Pay to, further they have given after the site, on Shanti Vishwakarma. So on means the drawee, students, on whom the bill is being drawn. On Shanti Vishwakarma, number 43, Bhosle Nagar, Solapur, payable to. So payable means to whom the amount will be paid, student. So that is payee. So Shyamala Kate, Nashik is written here, or her order, as a sum of rupees in words 57,450 only, for the value received. Signature of the drawer, again here left bottom, name of the drawee and address, and acceptance, signature of and the name of drawee and the date of accepting the date. So student, after the date, after the side will not impact the statement of the sentence, but you have to remember if after date is written, you will write here 2 months after the date. If after site is written, you will write after the site. If on demand is written, you will write 2 months on demand. So it is a type of bill, student, that should be clearly mentioned on the bill. Okay. Next is